12 surprising superpowers of Vicks VapoRub you never knew about.
Most of us have seen the familiar blue container in someone's bathroom or medicine cabinet. But did you know that Vicks VapoRub can do so much more than just soothe a stuffy nose or suppress an annoying cough? That little jar we have all grown to know and love is loaded with active ingredients including menthol and eucalyptus. And although they are expert cough suppressants, with the addition of camphor, Vicks is now an amazing option for a wide array of other treatments. If you want to know how Vicks VapoRub can change your life, you need to watch this video straight through to the end. But before we begin, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only. It is important to seek advice from a healthcare provider before making any changes to your lifestyle. It soothes sore muscles and aching joints. We've all been there. The uncomfortable pain after working out or playing sports, and many people out there suffer from swelling and joint inflammation due to arthritis and other ailments. But what if all of those could be a thing of the past without having to seek out painkillers or other medications with nasty side effects by simply reaching for a jar of Vicks VapoRub? When used as a topical anesthetic, it may help soothe your muscles and joints because of two of the active ingredients, menthol and camphor. You can even apply Vicks to your feet to increase the benefits or to settle the nerves in your legs before going to bed. Imagine falling asleep without the nuisance of restless legs and overall body pain. Sweet dreams thanks to Vicks. Treat painful and annoying ingrown hairs. Ingrown hairs can be painful, annoying, and embarrassing. By using a dab of Vicks VapoRub in susceptible areas, you can quickly treat obnoxious hairs because Vicks prevents infections, helps the hair follicle grow, and moisturizes and soothes your skin along the way. It's time to embrace the silky, soft, smooth skin we were meant to live in. Foot fungus no more. Itchy, smelly, uncomfortable foot fungus can be a thing of the past with the application of Vicks VapoRub in the affected areas. Say goodbye to the embarrassment attached to toenail fungus, athlete's foot, ringworm, and even jock itch with the easy application of Vicks VapoRub 2 times a day for 2 weeks. Some people even swear by Vicks for the relief from itching and swelling caused by hemorrhoids. The unknown uses for Vicks just keep adding up. Keep watching because we have a few more to go that will astonish you. Fade stretch marks. Growing, pregnancy, weight gain. Stretch marks can leave many people feeling self-conscious or embarrassed living in their own skin. But with the simple application of Vicks VapoRub and rubbing a small amount onto the impacted area 2 times per day for a few weeks, you can watch your stretch marks fade away and find the confidence you've been looking for. Train your cat. Sadly, we haven't yet found out how to teach your cat how to clean its own litter box, but we have found the solution to another difficulty we face while loving our cute little fur babies: scratching, clawing, and snoozing in places where they decide they're going to nap whether you want them to or not. To put a stop to destructive clawing on your furniture, just dab a small amount of Vicks VapoRub on or near the area and watch your cat change their ways in an instant. You could even leave a small jar open in the area you'd like them to avoid for a little extra protection. Just be sure to keep it out of licking range because you don't want them to be ingesting this miracle deterrent. There's even a way to keep pests out of storage areas, garages, and basements. Try punching a couple of drill holes into the lid of a jar of Vicks and then place the jars in nearby areas, under hoods of stored vehicles, near storage boxes, and more to keep pesky mice and rodents at bay.
If you're finding this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you stay up to date with our latest health and nutrition tips.
Treat rough and tough skin on your heels. We've seen it. The cracked, peeling, split heels that poke through flip-flops in the summer, or the ones that scrape and pill against our bed sheets all night. Fortunately for you, the solution for those scaly heels could be sitting in your medicine cabinet. Vicks is loaded with moisturizing properties, making it an ideal treatment for dry skin to heal split, scaly, and rough spots without having to spend hundreds of dollars at the spa. Just cover your heels with a healthy dose of Vicks, pull on a cozy pair of socks overnight, and wake up every morning to smoother, softer feeling feet. Keep bugs away. Summer is filled with warmth and sunshine, and in some places, swarms of mosquitoes. But what if you could repel mosquitoes without spraying powerful chemicals and odorants into the air or on your skin? Easily remove the nuisance of pesky biters by keeping a little bottle of Vicks nearby or applying it to areas that might expose your skin to a buggy nip. Camphor, an active ingredient in Vicks, is an excellent mosquito repellent, and the ointment overall is great for alleviating itching and reducing swelling and irritation from bug bites. Treat acne. No one loves those mornings we wake up and there's an unsightly blemish or breakout. But did you know that you can treat acne, one of the most common skin problems, with a little dab of Vicks VapoRub in a problem area? Not only can acne leave scars and marks on your face, but the red spots can make us feel self-conscious and desperate to spend hundreds of dollars on chemical treatments. But with Vicks, there's a remedy to bring us smooth, clear, healthy-looking skin. The little blue jar is loaded with anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling, inflammation, and pain, and shrink pimples to bring back the clear skin we've always wanted. Relieves pain and headaches. Headaches, migraines, and eye strain can make a mess out of our days. But with the help of Vicks VapoRub, you can easily have access to a home remedy that's loaded with menthol ingredients to help you feel more relaxed and reduce inflammation and tension. Simply rub a small amount on your forehead, temples, and the back of your neck for instant relief of splitting headaches that can ruin anyone's day. Clear up minor wounds and scrapes. The benefits of Vicks VapoRub don't end here. But did you know that with a small dab of Vicks under a bandage, you can clear up minor wounds and scrapes? The active ingredients work to help your skin heal faster, and the menthol reduces swelling and pain. It's even great for healing and reducing the appearance of bruises. Not only that, but it can also aid in the removal of splinters, metal shavings, or other embedded irritants, and can even be used to treat sunburn when applied to the skin after too much skin exposure. Treat your dry, itchy scalp. Dandruff, itchy scalp, and other skin conditions can be irritating and embarrassing. But you can easily treat dry scalp by applying a small amount of Vicks through the hair, massaging it into the skin, and letting it sit for 15 minutes, or you can even leave it on overnight. Then, shower and shampoo as usual, and dry off to a dandruff and itch-free day. Stuffy nose and cough. And last but not least, the ever-popular use for our favorite little miracle. The soothing, cough-suppressing benefits of Vicks VapoRub can't be forgotten. You can add it directly to your chest, throat, neck, or beneath your nose. You can add it to a bowl and pour hot water over it while draping a towel over your head, or massage it into the soles of your feet and cover them with socks through the night. Whatever your method may be, you're sure to have a great night's sleep battling your cold with the powerful little blue jar we all know and love. With so many uses for this little tiny jar, it's impossible to think that we could ever live without it. What are some of the unique ways that you use Vicks? Let us know in the comments. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video today. As always, we wish you good health, wealth, and joy. If you enjoyed this video, please click on this video to learn about the top 8 foods to unclog arteries naturally and prevent heart attack.